When businesses start up with a greenfield site these days, they're going to go in with world's best practice, and it's going to be high tech, it's going to be a lot of technology, I guess replacing that hands-on people stuff that we've been used to from the past. What that means even to a community like this is that you get people coming who are highly educated people, highly skilled people. They have to come here to work because there's a good job here. It's not just a base agricultural job. But what we're doing is we're building on the best part of this area, which is agriculture and growing good food. We're able to build on that and capture better jobs, better paying jobs, higher skilled jobs into the community. Suddenly you've got higher skilled people coming out here to work, or maybe getting skilled and staying in the area. Then their kids are going to the local school. They're on the local P&C committee. There's this trade-off that happens. That is rural development at its core. I think that's the opportunity that the precinct brings to this district.
It's not just about surviving, it's about prospering. And it's about providing a good future for the younger people of the community as well. Like, they know how to work hard, but they now need to be able to work smart, and they need the facilities and the opportunities to do that. And we're good at feeding people, but we also need to be good at providing some of the other products in life that are now important. And in some ways that's powering the vehicles that take us to and from work, being the buses in Brisbane. If we can replace diesel, which isn't good, with a renewable product that comes from the byproducts of creating food, or even some of the waste products that are generated out of the city, because we're so close, well, we should just do that.